The .NET Framework is a software development framework developed by Microsoft that provides a runtime environment and a set of libraries and tools for building and running applications on Windows operating systems. The framework includes a variety of programming languages such as C#, F#, and Visual Basic, and supports a range of application types, including desktop, web, mobile, and gaming applications. 1. The .NET Framework includes two main components, the Common Language Runtime, CLR, and the .NET Framework Class Library. The CLR is responsible for managing the execution of code written in any of the supported languages, while the class library provides a large set of pre-built functions and classes that can be used to create a wide range of applications. 2. One of the key advantages of the .NET Framework is its support for a variety of programming languages. This means that developers can choose the language that best fits their needs and expertise, while still being able to use the same set of libraries and tools provided by the framework. 3. Another advantage of the .NET Framework is its support for a variety of application types. The framework includes libraries and tools for creating desktop, web, mobile, and gaming applications, which makes it a versatile choice for developers working on a wide range of projects. 4. The .NET Framework also provides a number of features that help improve the security, reliability, and performance of applications. These include features such as code access security, automatic memory management, and just-in-time (JIT) compilation, which helps improve the speed of application execution. 5. The .NET Framework is also designed to integrate with other Microsoft technologies, such as Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft SharePoint, and Microsoft Office, which can make it easier to build applications that work seamlessly with other Microsoft products. Overall, the .NET Framework is a powerful and versatile development platform that provides a wide range of tools and libraries for building and running applications on Windows operating systems. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for latest video updates. Thanks for watching.